What is cleansing or getting teeth? Cleansing or getting your teeth, medically called bruxism, is a condition where a person involuntarily grinds, gnashes, or clenches their teeth, especially during sleep or times of stress. Over time, it can lead to teeth damage, jaw disorders, and other oral health problems. Who is affected? First, people of all ages can experience bruxism. Second, it is most common in adults aged 25 to 44, but can also be seen in children and teenagers. The last, individuals who are stressed, anxious, competitive, or have certain sleep disorders are more likely to be affected. Where does it occur? 1. Most commonly occurs during sleep, called sleep bruxism, often unnoticed by the patient. 2. Can also happen during the day in stressful or focused situation, wake bruxism. And the last effect are seen in the mouth, teeth, jaw, muscle, gums, and sometimes in the head and neck due to muscle strain. When does it happen? 1. Frequently occurs at night, but can also happen during the day. And the last can start or worsen during times of high stress, sleep disruption, or emotional change. Why does it happen? 1. Stress and anxiety are major triggers. 2. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea may contribute. 3. Can be linked to misaligned teeth, medication side effects, or neurological condition. And the last, lifestyle factor like smoking, caffeine, and alcohol can worsen it. How is it diagnosed and treated? 1. May ask dental exam, exercise, or sleep studies for confirmation. 2. Treatment may include 3. Stress management or the therapy. 4. Medication for muscle reaction. 5. Correction bad alignment or other dental issue. And the last, lifestyle change, reduction caffeine, avoiding gum, relaxation techniques. Standard operating procedure for cleansing and getting teeth. Examination. 1. Anamnesis. 2. Intraoral examination. 3. Extraoral examination. And last, supporting examination. Standard operating procedure for cleansing and getting teeth. Management. 1. Conservative. 2. Restorative. 3. Medication. 4. Referral. 5. Documentation. And last, evaluation. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. See you every